ready to transform your hair and achieve the luscious, healthy locks you've always dreamed of. Whether you're battling dryness, frizz, hair loss, or just want to maintain your hair's natural beauty, this world standard hair care routine is for you. In this video, we'll cover everything from identifying your hair type to solving common hair problems, DIY hair masks, professional treatments, and the role of nutrition and lifestyle in hair health. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip, and don't forget to follow my channel for more hair care secrets.
Step 1. Know your hair type. Understanding your hair type is the first step to creating a personalized hair care routine. Here's a quick guide. Straight hair tends to get oily quickly. Use lightweight, volumizing products. Wavy hair, prone to frizz. Opt for hydrating and defining products. Curly hair needs extra moisture. Use rich creams and oils to define curls. Coily, kinky hair requires intense hydration and gentle handling. Look for butters and leave-in conditioners. Step 2. Identify and solve common hair problems. Here's how to tackle the most common hair issues, backed by the latest research. Damaged hair. Use a repairing shampoo and conditioner with keratin or hydrolyzed proteins. These ingredients fill in gaps in the hair cuticle, restoring strength and elasticity. Apply a deep conditioning mask once a week to restore moisture and prevent breakage. Dandruff. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo with zinc pyrithione, ketoconazole, or selenium sulfide. These ingredients target the fungus Malassezia, a primary cause of dandruff. Exfoliate your scalp weekly with a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells and buildup. Dry hair. Use a sulfate-free, hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and coconut oil improve moisture retention in the hair shaft. Apply a leave-in conditioner or hair oil daily to lock in moisture. Frizzy hair. Use a smoothing shampoo and conditioner with argan oil or shea butter. These ingredients seal the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and improving shine. Avoid brushing dry hair. Use a wide tooth comb instead to prevent breakage. Flat hair. Use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Products containing polymers coat the hair shaft, creating the appearance of thicker hair. Apply a root lifting spray before blow drying for added volume. Oily hair. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with a clarifying shampoo. Avoid overwashing, as it can strip the scalp of natural oils, leading to increased oil production. Use a lightweight, oil-free conditioner on the ends only. Thinning hair. Use a thickening shampoo and conditioner. Incorporate minoxidil, FDA approved for hair regrowth, or rosemary oil, which has been shown to be equally effective in promoting hair growth. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on the scalp, as they can exacerbate thinning. Hair fall. Use a gentle, strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Massage your scalp with castor oil or peppermint oil to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Consider supplements like biotin, vitamin D, and zinc, which are essential for hair health. Step 3. DIY hair masks for every need. Pamper your hair with these easy-to-make hair masks, supported by research. Hydrating mask. Mix 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply for 30 minutes. Protein treatment. Combine 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Leave on for 20 minutes. Scalp soothing mask. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 5 drops of tea tree oil. Massage into the scalp and rinse after 15 minutes. Step 4. Professional treatments to consider. For more severe hair problems, these treatments can work wonders. Keratin treatment smooths frizz and adds shine. Olaplex repairs damaged hair bonds. PRP therapy stimulates hair growth for thinning hair. Scalp micropigmentation creates the illusion of thicker hair for those with thinning or balding areas. Step 5. Nutrition and lifestyle for healthy hair. Your hair's health starts from within. Here's what you need. Eat a balanced diet. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and legumes. Add biotin, found in nuts and seeds, and omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon and flax seeds. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated. Reduce stress. Practice yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to lower cortisol levels, which can contribute to hair loss. Step 6. Daily hair care routine. Follow this simple routine for world-class hair. Morning. Spritz with a leave-in conditioner or hair mist. Night. Apply a few drops of hair oil to the ends. Weekly. Use a deep conditioning mask or treatment. Bonus tip. Protect your hair while you sleep. Swap your cotton pillowcase for a silk or satin one to reduce friction and prevent breakage. Your hair transformation starts now. By following this world-standard hair care routine, you'll notice a visible difference in your hair's texture, strength, and shine. Remember, consistency is key.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Let's embark on this journey to healthier, more beautiful hair together. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take your hair care game to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest content. See you in the next video. Always consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, especially for hair loss or scalp issues.